action, repeat. Eat, sleep, code, and repeat. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be starting the second chapter of Python programming, means the turtle programming, which is going to be for loops and turtle coding. What is a for loop? A for loop is used when you have block of code which you want to repeat a fixed number of times. The for loop iterates through the block of indented code. So you can say it's a line where we can do many things all at once. Like you want to say hi everyone 5 times. You can do that using a for loop. Now, the loop statements use a very specific statement, specific syntax. The initial loop statement is followed by a colon at the end, so means the column symbol. We're gonna move on to the coding part, which means I'll be explaining you all the code and how they work. And of course, we'll also be saying what they will do. So, I will see you till then.